Hello, my name's Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you when is the right time to harvest your broccoli. Here's a clip from the show. All right, the next thing that's in the garden is our broccoli, and I wanted to show you this. There's our first little head, and sometimes they happen like this, but if you look at these beads, because everybody always asks me, when is the right time to pick broccoli? And you want to get it before these flowers open up. So this one's actually, it's mature enough, we need to pick it. And we'll just take that center out just like that. And that'll be one little bite. I'll just throw that on my salad. But then I see a whole bunch of new branches coming on, and then they will be ready to pick here in the next week or two. So broccoli will be on soon, and that's very exciting. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 10, Week 3. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.